in. I really hope that you will like and enjoy next couple of minutes with me. If you're new here, you're very welcome. If you like my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Today's video is going to be a makeup review because I personally find this type of videos super useful, super informative, and actually almost every single time when I'm on my way to buy a new makeup, doesn't matter if I'm going to buy it from a shop or if I'm gonna order it online, I always take a look at a couple of reviews to see how the certain product looks on different skin tones, on different type of peoples, on different makeup combination if you want. So yeah, in today's video, the accent is gonna be those two lip crayons by Maybelline. It's actually Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. I bought them yesterday from Boots and now they are in offer 2 for £12. I'm pretty sure that it says that the single price for them is $9.99. I checked them in Superdrug as well. They were, I think, the same price if I'm not wrong, like without offer, regular price. Yeah, so I decided to give them a go because I really like the colorful range that they have. I mean, they are mainly my type of colors. I love nudes. I love nudes with a little bit pinkish undertone, nude with a little bit coral pinkish combination, something like this. Obviously, you can see from those two colors. And yeah, in this video, mainly what I like to do and what I want to do is to focus on the formula, to focus on how these colors are gonna look like on my lips. I'm not gonna use any like additional lip liner or anything else because I would like you to see the proper colors the way they are. And the super cute thing by those lip crayons is the sharpener at the end. I was super surprised when I saw this sharpener in one of the videos because it's really super cute detail. Like actually when you, first of all, you have to be able to open the lipstick. Yeah, okay, I did it. As you can see, it's super sharp here at the end, so you almost don't need to use an additional lip liner or anything else to line up your lips. But when you run out of this super sharp like tip, you can just simply, I haven't used it because as I told you, it's brand new, so I haven't used the sharpener, but it's super cute. And it's gonna make the same shape again and again. I'm not so sure, if I need to be honest, what is the real size of this crayon. But okay, let's try. I really hope that I'm not gonna break it, because I'll cry. Ooh, it's pretty decent size. Yoo-hoo! Yeah, that's the full size of the product that you are going to receive. It's actually like about, I'm not so sure, maybe 3 centimeters. I don't have a ruler right now here to measure it exactly, but it's pretty decent amount of it. I will quickly tell you what I found on Maybelline Co. UK's website. It says Superstay Matte Ink Crayon Lipstick. Up to 8 hours intense matte, now in an easy to use crayon. No fading, no smudging, no mess. Built-in sharpener keeps tip on point through every application. And I'm not so sure what about the store range, but here on the website they got 5 different shades. I used both of the shades, like I made a different combination, and I tested them today. And I got my own opinion. First of all, I love the colors. Second, from the first application of the lip crayon, or let's say the lipstick, It is super creamy and smooth. It's incredibly creamy, but there is always one but with the matte lipsticks. It starts being dry on the lips, and this kind of awful dryness of the matte lipsticks unfortunately appears in maybe 10 minutes. So no worries, don't give up. I figured out how to use it because I really love the colors. I really love the shape of the crayon. I really love everything about it. So I'm not gonna throw them in a bin because of this super dry feeling. I personally don't love this feeling. This makes me feel like I don't know, like I want to touch and lick my lips all the time, and then it starts creasing here in the center, in the inner center of the bottom lip, and it starts looking not so good. So I will show you how I started using them, and it is gonna be super useful for you. And I'm gonna give you a trick how to use these super dry lipsticks without feeling them super dry on your lips. I got my EOS lip balm in the watermelon, and first, it is super simple, but it's doing miracles. Like any lip balm that you have, this is actually my daughter's one. Apply like pretty much good amount of it. And then the first color that I'm gonna show you is my favorite from both of them. I prefer this one. It's 15 Lead the Way. As I told you, it's super smooth. As you can see, my natural lip color is kind of like reddish, pinkish reddish. So yeah, I don't have anything on my bottom lip, so you can see that the color is close to my natural color. And voila, this is making a super, I don't want to say super dry feeling of the matte lipsticks, but this trick with applying any Vaseline, any lip conditioner, anything without color that you have to smoothen up your lips, and then apply any lip crayon lipstick or whatever it is really game-changing. So yeah, this is number 15 Lead the Way color. And I forgot to mention that when I wore this lipstick today at work, it is really proved super long lasting, because it was like 6 hours later, it looked almost the same way as at the very beginning when I applied the lipstick in the morning. And the other thing that I would like to mention is that now it was super easy to take off the lip crayon with this, what was this, Johnson cleansing wipes. Maybe because I just applied it and I want to change the color. But after 6 or 8 hours, or at the end of the day, it is, if you don't use any lip balm underneath, it starts being too difficult, like super dry and a little bit difficult to remove the makeup. So, lip balm once again. And I'll show you the next color is 10, Trust Your Gut. It is lovely, a little bit deeper undertone with, there is almost, it is like brownish with a little bit pinkish undertone maybe. I really hope that you can see the colors properly, because what I mentioned looking video after video on YouTube is like sometimes I feel that I can see the same lipstick color in 5 different people in 5 different ways. I mean, maybe, of course, it depends of your skin color, it depends of your lip undertone, lips color, it depends of your current makeup, of your hair color, of everything actually. But sometimes I even can't believe, is this really the same lipstick color that I just watched about a couple of minutes ago in some others video? It absolutely looks totally different. And then if you go to the store and try the lipsticks, oh my gosh, there is like a brand new color for you, and you're thinking, it's not exactly the same how this may look like on me. So because of this, I am happy to make this type of videos for you, because I stopped doing them for quite a while. Maybe in the past couple of years I haven't been doing any video like this, but it is actually super useful information, not just to show you, come on, really, I got 2 new lipsticks, what a surprise, miracle. No, I don't want to show you this. I actually would like to help you on your way to buy a new lipstick, a new product, because I received a compliment from one of my colleagues. It was exactly about this color. Let me tell you again, number 10, Trust Your Gut. She said, oh, it looks lovely, where did you buy it, how much it was, etc. So yeah, if you are happy to see any other videos like this in future, I'll be so happy to make them for you. And don't forget to check out my channel, because in the next video is going to be another lipstick swatch kind of review video, and then I will film for you my makeup collection, and actually it's going to be cleaning and organizing my current makeup collection, because you don't even want to see how my makeup drawer looks like. It's actually stressful, and I can't properly see what makeup I actually have there, I actually got there. Like, I mean, maybe 80% of the makeup, I forgot about it. And yeah, so I really hope that you like this video. I really hope that you find something interesting in it. If it is like this, please don't forget to support my channel. You're very welcome to press the red subscribe button down below, to give me a thumbs up, and maybe to help me to reach 5,000 subscribers, which is gonna make me incredibly happy. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I really hope to see you in the next one.